Beat That. And this is a fun game to play with people, 2 people and higher. And it also has these fun things to play with it. So, for example, it has these cups with ping pong balls. You also get this measuring tape, this stopwatch, sand watch, some chopsticks, as well as some dice and some tokens. Also a post-it note paper and a bunch of these cards. So these are the cards. Let me get it. So here they are. And you're supposed to do fun things with the cards. For example, line 2 cups with a gap between them. Bounce a ball over the first one so it bounces between both cups before it lands in the second cup. You have 30 seconds. So you get to do all these cool obstacle things. Another one is to try to you put this in between your hand, and then you're supposed to try to drop. I'm not going to go through all of the toys, but here, let me show it to you. So you're supposed to try to get this in here without touching anything, and you try to get as many, and you have to try to drop it. So there's lots of fun toys, or to try to get stuff with chopsticks, like the dice, and try to get it in there, and you have 30 seconds until this, and it already changed. So within 30 seconds to try to get and do stuff. So look how many there are. So lots of different ones to do. Hours of entertainment. I'm so excited to play because it's so fun to do, games like this. These are good, wholesome, fun games to play with your family or friends. So this is from Beat That, and lots of fun things. Place a cup face down on the floor. Grab another 3 cups. You have 30 seconds to drop the cups one at a time from your height so they form a stack on the floor. So lots of fun things to do. Definitely recommend good, wholesome fun for the entire family or friends too.